the discussion on the Lokpal bill has been going on now for some time, and what we have now is a bill where there is broad consensus, a strong bill, a bill that will actually completely transform the issue of corruption. I just want to say that the Congress Party fully supports this bill, and we would very much like the opposition and other party members to work with us to ensure that this bill is passed in Parliament. That's why we are having this press conference. I think this is an extremely important bill, and we're 99% there. And I think if we get the support of all the parties, we can actually pass this bill, which I think is very, very important.
Rahul, do you think the way the parliament is functioning and with your own allies demanding debates on various issues like inflation, do you think that the Lokpal bill actually can be passed in this session?
Well, what we would like is that all the parties. This is a matter of national importance, and what we would very much like is that parties put aside their concerns and actually do this job. The Congress Party is fully committed to this. We are going to pass this bill, but we need other parties to work with us to deliver this. All other parties, the BJP and our allies. I think the point is, please. भैया ये point ये है कि ये national importance का बिल है और consensus है. ये नहीं है कि disagreement है, consensus है, broad consensus है. तो सब पार्टियों को मिलकर ये काम अब पूरा करना चाहिए. हम यहाँ तैयार हैं. कांग्रेस पार्टी इसका पूरा सपोर्ट करेगी. बाकी पार्टियों से मैं विनती करता हूँ, रिक्वेस्ट करता हूँ कि ये नेशनल इंपॉर्टेंस की चीज़ है तो वो सपोर्ट करें. In passing this bill, is it because this parliament is coming to an end and you want to have something to show to the voter? Is it after your recent election defeats? Actually, the Aam Aadmi Party took up this issue. Why this urgency? No, this is not an urgency. This is something we've been struggling with for a while. At every step, you know that parliament is disrupted. So it is not that we have not been trying to pass this bill. We've been working on it full time. What I'm saying is we are 99% there. There is a broad consensus. This is a much stronger bill than anything before, and essentially all the parties should get together and close this. It has nothing to do with the Aam Aadmi Party. No. This is to do with corruption, and this is to do with providing a serious weapon to fight corruption in this country, similar to the RTI.
कोशिश की जाए फ्राइडे से ही हंगामे चलते हैं. हंगामा हो तो पास करेंगे. इसको नंबर 1. नंबर 2, क्या अन्ना भी अनशन पे बैठे हुए हैं लोकपाल को लेकर के, और अरविंद केजरीवाल दिल्ली में जिस ढंग से उनकी विक्ट्री हुई है, आपको लगता है अन्ना की जीत करवा करके आप एक तरह से डिफीट देना चाहते हैं आम आदमी पार्टी को?
नहीं, देखिए, ये जीत डिफीट की बात नहीं है. इस बिल की जरूरत है. जीत किसी की भी हो, हार किसी की भी हो, डिफीट हो, विक्ट्री हो, इससे कोई लेना देना नहीं है. ये बिल हिंदुस्तान को मदद करेगा, बहुत बड़े तरीके से मदद करेगा. इसलिए हम इसको पास करना चाहते हैं. ये हम बहुत समय से कोशिश कर रहे हैं. अब कंसेंसस आ गया है, अब बिल्कुल फिनिशिंग लाइन पर है और ये किया जा सकता है. कांग्रेस पार्टी बिल्कुल कमिटेड है इसको पास करने के लिए. एक सेकंड, बस सबको मिलकर नेशनल इंटरेस्ट के लिए ये काम कर देना चाहिए. समाजवादी पार्टी समाजवादी का.
और अब अन्ना के दबाव में दिल्ली में हार हुई, इस वजह से आपको कहना पड़ रहा है कि
नहीं, ये मैं अभी भी नहीं कह रहा हूं कि हर एक चीज का सलूशन लोकपाल बिल है, मगर लोकपाल बिल एक बड़ा कदम है.
और हमें ये कदम लेना चाहिए। हमारे पास बाकी भी बिल हैं जो पाइपलाइन में है, मगर ये बड़ा कदम है और इसको हमें लेना चाहिए। मैंने कभी नहीं कहा है कि हर एक प्रॉब्लम का सलूशन लोकपाल बिल, मैं सिर्फ ये कह रहा हूं कि ये एक जरूरी कदम है। I just like to add, just let me speak 1 second. I'd like to add to what Sibalji has said. See, what we are working on and what we have been working on is a framework to fight corruption. This is one element of that framework. The biggest element of that framework was the Right to Information Bill, which we put in earlier. There are a number of steps that we have to take to actually impact corruption. Lokpal is one of them, and there are multiple other here. I mean, there's a list of them, 7 of them, that make up part of the framework. So, this is a continuing thing. This is a big step, and we really feel that we are almost there. And if we can get the support of all the parties, it would be a very, very powerful thing for this country.
अगर सब लोग एक साथ पूछेंगे तो कोई सवाल नहीं पूछेगा। ये मेरे को ऐसे एक करके पूछिए, आप पूछिए। अरे आप पूछे, मेरे को बोला है नहीं, ऐसा नहीं है। आप एक मिनट।
There is a public perception that corruption and price rise have gone hand in hand. That has affected and impacted your election results in the last quarter in these elections that were just held. Do you think that you're bringing the Lokpal at the fag end of this debate?
I'll tell you.
The perception is already gone.
I'll tell you about the perception. Look, the single biggest step, and frankly a much bigger step than the Lokpal against corruption, is called the Right to Information. We passed the right to information when we were doing just fine. We were doing perfectly well, and we came out with the single biggest instrument against corruption. So this argument that we are doing this as a result of elections, I think it's a bit unfair. We are committed to providing a framework to this country of anti-corruption method, anti-corruption legislation. The base of that framework is the RTI, and we are adding to that. Lokpal bill is one addition. It's an important addition.
Sir, Gandhi, the other day you said you need to learn from the Aam Aadmi Party. Given that we started a democratic process over 6 years back, and we have seen the youth shifting to the Aam Aadmi Party in this election. But your remark, some kind of admission of a failure to bring the youth into your party. And is it time that you start a democratic process?
This press conference, please take to Lokpal.
अब आप जब लोकपाल बिल लेके आ रही है, सरकार ने ज्यादा वाइडर कंसेंसस बनाया, आपको लगता है कि अन्ना हजारे को अपना आंसर खत्म कर देना चाहिए और कांग्रेस पार्टी क्या कन्विंस करेगी अन्ना को कि जो वो चाहते थे जन लोकपाल के माध्यम से, उसमें से ज्यादा चीजों को अकोमोडेट किया गया है?
क्या आप मिलने जाएंगे राहुल जी?
नहीं, देखिए हमारा काम, जैसे मैंने कहा, एक करप्शन के खिलाफ एक इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर तैयार करने का है। हमने आरटीआई दिया, हमने अब लोकपाल की बात हो रही है और काफी हमने इनोवेशंस किए हैं और हम करते जाएंगे। अन्ना जी फास्ट पे हैं, I mean that is his perspective. He is on a fast. Our job, as far as I'm concerned, is to give this country a powerful Lokpal bill. And again I'm asking, I've said it now 3 times, what we need, we are 99% there. What we need is 1% movement from the political parties in this country. And I'm pretty confident that if we work together, we can actually finish and deliver the Lokpal.
लोकपाल के अधीन होगी तो आपको लगता है कि प्राइम मिनिस्टर के पैरेलल शक्तिमान बॉडी खड़ी हो जाएगी, साथ ही साथ ये प्रधानमंत्री के अधिकारों पर आज भी आ सकती है?
And who will appoint the CBI chief?
What is the question?
Who will appoint the CBI chief? And will this become a parallel power? What I'm basically saying, what I'm basically saying is,
जो सबसे अहम सवाल है
एक सेकंड, basically what I'm basically saying is that this is important for the country. We should put aside small little differences that the political parties have, get together and finish this job. That's all I'm saying. That's why we held this press conference. Thank you very much.